Hello friends! Today we do not require crayons or sketch pencils as we are going to use our hands for making simple drawing. Come, let's get started. Dip your hands into colors or paints. Before you dip into colors, make sure to ask elders for guidance. Ensure you are not allergic to paints and get confirmation from daddy or mommy before you proceed. Let's make a sun with our hand like this. That's really fun, isn't it? Let's complete the sun like this by making a circular pattern. Next, let's make a peacock. Use your finger or thumb impression and follow me. Use colors you like and complete the pattern like this. Let's do some final touches like drawing a beak and eye. Hurrah! Our peacock is ready. Let's make plants and flowers. Follow me as we use various colors to make the plant and flowers. Use your fingers to make impression after dipping into the paint. Make the leaves. Don't restrict to colors we are using here. Use your favorite colors and imagination. Next, let's make a rooster. Follow me as we use our hand to make an impression like this. Next, let's make eyes and the beak. Give it a crown at the top and color it red. Let's add the legs to the rooster. Wow! Our rooster is now ready. Next, we will make a rainbow with our finger impression. Start like this. Do you know the colors in the rainbow? Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Come, let's make the different layers one by one. Let's make the orange layer now. Let's make the yellow layer now. Let's add the green layer. Next, let's add the blue one. Use your thumb or finger. Let's add the indigo colors now. And finally, let's add violet color. Use your thumbs to make impression. Our rainbow is ready. Kids, now tell me how many colors are there in a rainbow? Yes, 7 colors. Next, let's make a simple fruit. Can you guess which fruit are we making with our finger impression? Yes, that's grapes. Complete the grape like this and add leaves and color it green. Wow! Hope you had fun making these finger paintings. Don't forget to share with your friends. And also don't forget to wash your hands properly after completing this activity. Thanks for watching. Bye!